Within SEO, there are two types of key components. The first component is on-page SEO or on-page search engine optimization. On-page SEO refers to the optimization techniques that are applied directly on the pages of a website in order to improve its ranking in search engines. It involves several elements like content, structure, images, and metadata, which contribute to a website's relevance, user experience, and credibility. Let us look at the key aspects of on-page SEO. The first and the most important aspect is content. It is crucial to have high quality, relevant, and original content on our website. This will not only improve the user experience, but also attract backlinks from other websites, which in turn boosts your ranking. The content should be keyword optimized, but not to the point where it becomes unreadable or stuffed with keywords. Keyword stuffing is a practice that I've really frowned upon because it just makes the content very boring. The next component of on-page SEO is structure. A clear and organized structure of your website with appropriate headings, subheadings, and bullet points will make it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your website's content. The third point is URL structure. URLs that are concise and descriptive with keywords included can improve the ranking of a page. Using hyphens to separate words in a URL is also beneficial, as it makes the URL more readable for both search engines as well as users. Meta descriptions. The meta description of the page is a brief summary that appears in the search engine results. It should accurately reflect the content of the page and include keywords. Furthermore, meta description has to be unique for every page. Images. Optimizing images by compressing them, providing descriptive file names and alt tags can improve the lower speed of the page and make it easier for search engines to understand the content. These images can also come in Google image search results as well. Internal linking. Linking to other pages within your website can improve navigation and also help search engines understand the structure and relevance of your content. In conclusion, on-page SEO is a critical aspect of SEO that can greatly impact a website's ranking in search engine results. By following the aforementioned tips, website owners like you can improve their website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. However, it is important to note that on-page optimization is just one part of the larger picture and should be complemented by other off-page optimization techniques as well. What are those? Let's learn about them right next. See you there. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.